South Asian and Tamil Women Collective holds an annual well-being conference for YRDSB youth. The goal of this conference is to provide South Asian and Tamil girls and non-binary students with the opportunity to participate in workshops led by women from similar backgrounds and experiences. The conference is a celebration of the students' culture and identities and builds on the knowledge that lies in their histories. The various connection activities and workshops provide a safe space for students to expand on topics that are important to them, learn about themselves, get inspired by other women and individuals who have navigated difficult paths, and connect with their peers. This year, the workshops range from sessions on self-care, self-compassion, and navigating difficult emotions to exploring identity through art and writing. There were also workshops on mindfulness and yoga, imagining safe queer spaces, and applying for jobs. We also offered kuthu as a way to de-stress and Bollywood dance, probably one of the funnest sessions. One of the reasons the conference is important is because it gives an opportunity to create a space for young girls and non-binary students to feel seen, reflected, and honored. I understand how important it is for them to see women and individuals from their own cultures navigating the world and achieving their dreams, and it gives me pride to work with the team to bring the conference to life.